Is Airlearn the best way to learn in 2026? Learning has changed a lot in the last few years. Everywhere you look, there's a new app promising to make studying easier, faster, and even fun. One of the newest names making noise in 2026 is Airlearn, an AI-powered learning platform that says it can personalize education for every single user. But the question is, does it really live up to the hype, or is it just another overpromised app? From the moment you open Airlearn, it feels modern and simple. The interface is clean, fast, and immediately asks what you want to learn, whether it's math, science, languages, or even creative skills. Airlearn builds a learning plan that adjusts as you go, powered by artificial intelligence that studies your progress and adapts in real time. That's what makes it stand out: adaptive learning. Every lesson you take, every quiz you answer, helps the system understand your strengths and weaknesses. The app then adjusts your next lessons, so you're always challenged, but never overwhelmed. Airlearn also integrates AI tutoring. You can talk directly with its virtual assistant, ask questions, and get explanations tailored to your level. Unlike older apps that give robotic answers, Airlearn's AI explains concepts in different ways until you truly get them. Almost like having a personal teacher in your pocket. It also focuses on building habits. With short, bite-sized lessons, daily reminders, and fun progress tracking, the app keeps you coming back. Even if you only spend a few minutes a day, it feels easy to stay consistent, and that's where the real improvement happens. Visually, Airlearn shines. It includes videos, diagrams, interactive flashcards, and even small simulations. If you prefer listening, you can switch to audio lessons. And for writing-based learners, there are plenty of exercises and quizzes that reinforce memory through repetition. Performance-wise, the app runs smoothly on all devices. Lessons load fast, and your progress syncs automatically between phone, tablet, and laptop. There's a free plan with limited access, and a premium version that unlocks all courses, iConversations, and offline learning. Considering how complete it feels, the price is fair, especially if you plan to use it regularly. Privacy-wise, Airlearn seems solid. It encrypts personal data and focuses on learning analytics rather than selling user information, something not all educational apps can say. Now, it's not flawless. Some advanced users might find the lessons a bit simple, and while the AI tutor is impressive, it can't fully replace human feedback. But as a smart learning companion, it's remarkably effective. What really makes Airlearn special is how natural it makes learning feel. Instead of forcing you into long study sessions, it turns education into a daily routine, small, consistent, and satisfying. You're not just studying, you're building knowledge effortlessly. So, what's the verdict? Airlearn delivers. It's one of the most promising AI learning apps in 2026, practical, intelligent, and perfect for anyone who wants to learn something new without burning out. If you've been looking for a way to stay consistent, master new skills, or simply fall back in love with learning, Airlearn might be exactly what you need. And if this review helped you decide, share it with someone who's trying to level up this year. Because when learning becomes simple and personal, progress follows naturally. Keep learning, keep improving with Airlearn.